So, good morning students, myself Professor P.B. Ingde and working as an assistant professor in a mechanical engineering department at P.R. Pote Patil College of Engineering and Management, Amravati. So, what is students, in a previous lectures, what is we learn? We learn the closed system and open system. Okay. Now today, what is we learn? Today we have to learn the isolated system and adiabatic system. Okay. So boys and girls, let's observe here isolated system. Isolated system. बच्चों, हमने अभी तक क्या क्या देखा? हमने देखा है थर्मोडायनामिक्स की डेफिनेशन, उसके बाद में हम लोगों ने देखा सिस्टम, सराउंडिंग, यूनिवर्स, बाउंड्री, क्लोज सिस्टम, ओपन सिस्टम एंड दिस इज नाउ वी डिस्कस अ आइसोलेटेड system. So let's first of all I draw means the one diagram and definitions. So I am write down the definition here. Look at here. The isolated system is defined as there is no heat transfer or energy transfer and no mass is transfer from system to surrounding and vice versa. Okay. So boys and girls, what is, I write down the simple definition of the isolated system here. What is the definition of the isolated system? Isolated system is defined as there is no heat transfer or energy is transfer and no mass is transfer from system to surrounding. मतलब बच्चों, इसका मीनिंग क्या हो गया? इसका मीनिंग ऐसा है कि आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम में ना मतलब मास भी ट्रांसफ़र नहीं होगा और एनर्जी भी ट्रांसफ़र नहीं होंगी. काय में से? सिस्टम में से तो सराउंडिंग में या फिर सराउंडिंग में से तो सिस्टम में. इसी को हम कहते हैं आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम. लेट्स वी क्लेरिफाई वंस अगेन फ्रॉम द वन सिंपल डायग्राम. आई ड्रॉ द वन डायग्राम आल्सो हियर. सपोज आई ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम. Right, this is the diagram of the system. This is a system. Okay, there is a boundary. This is the boundary. Okay, so what happen in isolated system? Figure number one, isolated system. Okay, means here no heat is transfer, means energy is transfer is zero. Then another is also no mass transfer is also zero is here there. Means there is a no exchange of a heat in between system and surrounding and there is no exchange of a mass in between system and surroundings. Means what are the points we have to write down here, boys and girls? Means no mass cross the boundary of a system मतलब ये जो बाउंड्री मैंने बताई यहाँ पे, यहाँ से कोई भी मास क्रॉस नहीं कर पाएगा. देन अनदर इज ऑल्सो व्हाट इज नो मास, देन नो एनर्जी कैन क्रॉस द बाउंड्री ऑफ सिस्टम. Yes or no? Yes. So, if you consider this one, so this is the one special type of a closed system. If you consider this one, so this is a special type of closed system, right? So these are the simple points I am write down here, boys. Okay. Once again, I define. The isolated system is defined as there is a no heat transfer or energy transfer and no mass is transferred from system to surrounding and vice versa. Okay. So this is nothing but the isolated system. But if you consider the example here, what are the example we have, boys? If you consider the thermos, okay, or another is what is ice box, thermos or ice box. These are the example of the isolated system. But actually or practically, boys, the isolated system does not exist in the natures. Okay, just for a theoretical point of view, we consider the isolated system. Okay, no, practically any isolated system is exist in a natures. Only for our study point of view, we consider the isolated system. Okay, so these are the simple explanations. Now another system is what is adiabatic. So let's we focus on adiabatic system. ठीक है, इसके अंदर एक पॉइंट्स मैं आपको और बता देता. ये जो बाउंड्री रहेंगी बच्चों इसकी, ये प्रॉपरली क्या रहेंगी, इंसुलेटेड रहेंगी. दिस बाउंड्री इज प्रॉपरली इंसुलेटेड. ये बाउंड्री अगर अच्छे से इंसुलेटेड है तो इसमें से कोई भी प्रकार की हीट भी लॉस नहीं होंगी. सो दिस इज द प्रॉपर इंसुलेशन इज प्रोवाइडेड ऑन द बाउंड्री. आप लोगों ने थर्मस देखा होगा, मैं एक डायग्राम बना के देता हूँ आपको. दिस इज द थर्मस डायग्राम. ओके, देन इन विच आल्सो द अनदर one pot will be there like that. This one is also right. अब ये जो बीच में है दिस वन, दिस इज द इंसुलेशंस, दिस इज द इंसुलेशंस. और इसके अंदर हमारा मटेरियल रहता है दिस वन, दिस इज आवर मटेरियल्स मीन जस्ट टी और वाटर्स. yes or no? Yes. And this gap in between nothing but the insulations. Okay, there are different type of the insulation material we have. Fibers, then wood, cork. Okay, or air is a one more. Means vacuum is also there maintains. Okay, so this is the simple diagram I have to draw for better understanding point of view. Thermos diagrams. Okay, now we have to discuss another system is adiabatic. So focus here the adiabatic systems. Now another is a adiabatic system. So see here, Okay, so I write down the definition here. Adiabatic, look at here. Adiabatic system is defined as in which mass is transfer, but no heat is transfer across the boundary of a system, is called as what is adiabatic system. What is boys here? देखिए, मतलब एडियाबैटिक सिस्टम के अंदर क्या होगा, मास ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा, मास इज ट्रांसफर बट नो हीट इज ट्रांसफर अक्रॉस द बाउंड्री ऑफ अ सिस्टम. मतलब इसके अंदर हीट ट्रांसफर नहीं होंगी या फिर हीट एक्सचेंज नहीं होंगी. किसके साथ में? सराउंडिंग के साथ में. सराउंडिंग और सिस्टम में कोई भी हीट का इंटरेक्शन नहीं होगा. सिर्फ इंटरेक्शन काय का होगा बच्चों? मास इन होगा, मास आउट होगा. इसी को हम लोग कहते हैं एडियाबैटिक सिस्टम. लेट्स आई ड्रॉ द वन फिगर सिंपल. सपोज आई ड्रॉ दिस फिगर्स. सो व्हाट इज हियर बॉयज? इन एडियाबैटिक सिस्टम, okay, the mass in, mass out, and there is a proper insulation will be there. This is the insulations will be there. Okay, and there is a boundary also. There is a boundary is also provided. This is the boundary. This is a boundary. This is a system. This is a insulations. So mass is transferred from system to surrounding, but no exchange of heat. There is a no heat is exchange. Okay, the heat exchange is zero will be there. Such a system it is called as the adiabatic systems. Okay boys, so this is the one point here. This is a special case of open system. Special case of open systems. Now if we consider the examples, so then so many examples we have. We consider the insulated turbines. Okay, then we have to consider the insulated pump. Then another example, insulated nozzle. Then another example we consider the insulated throttle valves also. Okay, there are so many examples we have to understand the adiabatic system. But boys and girls, the adiabatic system is also for a understanding point of view. The adiabatic system does not exist in the nature. Just we have to assume that, because if you consider the NA system, definitely there is a small amount of the heat is also transferred, but it is very negligible. Okay, we just consider the practically situation, not we achieve 100%. Okay, the number of scientists are focused to achieve the 100% insulation material, but not possible. Some amount of it may be transferred there. Okay, but from theoretical point of view, the just system will be exit. Okay, what is here? The adiabatic system is defined as in which the mass is transferred but no heat is transferred across the boundary of a system. Such system it is called as the adiabatic systems. Okay, so These are the simple explanation about the we already learned in previous two lecture, closed system, open system. Now in this lecture we discuss the insulated isolated system and adiabatic system. Now boys, we have to discuss the new points here now. See these new points, one more concept. So one more concept is we have to define now of phase. Okay. So what is the meaning of phase, boys? So phase means a certain quantity of a matters. Okay, and it may be solid, it may be liquid, or it may be a gas. So what is the phase? Phase means it is a certain quantity of matter. Okay, and we know that matter may be solid, liquid, or what is it is gas also. Yes or no? Yes. So this is a simple definition of the phase. Phase is, it is nothing but a certain quantity of a physical, means a certain quantity of matter, and phase we have solid, liquid and gas. So this phase, so phase, it may be solid, it may be liquid, or it may be gas. So in this phase system we have two system, boys. One is homogeneous system and another is a heterogeneous system. So first we discuss the what is homogeneous system. Homogeneous system. Okay. So what is the meaning of homo? Homo means, boys, single. So how can we define the homogeneous system? Homogeneous system is defined as a system made by a single material, or it consists of a single phase, nothing but the homogeneous system. So write down the simple definition. If the system consists of single phase, it may be solid, or it may be liquid, or it may be gas, nothing but the homogeneous system. मतलब अब इधर देखिए बच्चों, ये मैंने एक कंटेनर कंसिडर किया. ओके, अब ये कंटेनर में मैंने अगर वाटर प्लेस कर दिया, these are the water is placed here, H2O. Okay, so it consists of only one phase. Which type of the phase is exist here? Only the liquid phase is exist. Okay, इसी को मैं क्या कहूँगा? होमोजेनियस सिस्टम्स. सो इफ द सिस्टम इज कंसिस्ट ऑफ ओनली सिंगल फेज, मतलब उसके अंदर एक ही मैटर अवेलेबल है, एक ही फेज में अवेलेबल है, वो एक तो लिक्विड में होगा, या फिर गैस में होगा, या फिर सॉलिड में होगा, उसी को कहते हैं हम होमोजेनियस सिस्टम. दूसरे अगर एग्जांपल नंबर हम लेंगे बच्चों, सो एयर विथ वाटर वेपर्स, इसी को भी हम क्या कहेंगे? होमोजेनियस सिस्टम. एयर विथ वाटर वेपर और ऑक्सीजन विथ वाटर वेपर इज नथिंग बट द होमोजेनियस सिस्टम. सिंपल डेफिनेशंस. नाउ अनदर डेफिनेशन बॉयज वी हैव. I write down here. Heterogeneous system. heterogeneous system. तो हेट्रो क्या रहेगा बच्चों? इफ अ सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ, इफ द सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ more than single phase or more than two phase, nothing but the heterogeneous system. If the system consists of two phase or more than two phase is called as heterogeneous system. तो सिंपल एग्जांपल है, अगर ये मैंने पहले कंसिडर किया था वाटर का, इसके अंदर अगर मैं मिला देता हूँ सम आयरन रॉड, इफ यू पुट सम आयरन रॉड्स हियर, ओके, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट द व्हाट इज अ heterogeneous system. So there is a two phases available. If you consider the one more example also, what is in this box, there is a water is placed, yes or no? Yes, there is a H2O in liquid phase, but if you add, suppose this pen is add here, so it consists of how many phase? Two phase. Such system it is called as the heterogeneous. If you put the some ice box ऑफ वाटर, या अगर इसके अंदर मैंने आइस बॉक्स डाल डाले वाटर के भी, तो अब ये भी कौन सी सिस्टम बन जाएगी? हेट्रोजीनियस, क्योंकि ये जो आइस है बच्चों, ये काय के फॉर्म में एग्जिट है अभी सॉलिड में, ये काय के फॉर्म में एग्जिट है लिक्विड में. सॉलिड और लिक्विड को मैं अगर मिक्स करूँगा तो वो क्या कहलाएगा? हेट्रोजीनियस सिस्टम. ओके, सो दिस आर द सिंपल डेफिनेशन इज गिवन हियर. दिस होमोजीनियस एंड हेट्रोजीनियस सिस्टम एंड फेज is very detailed discussion in our fourth sem subjects, energy conversions. Now here's only the simple definition along with this closed system, open system, isolated system, adiabatic system. Then I add one more extra things here, which one? Homogeneous system and heterogeneous. But these two system, homogeneous and heterogeneous, is it is a part of the properties of a pure substance. So this will be discussed in very detail or in our fourth sem subject, energy conversions. Okay boys, okay, so we have to clarify all the systems in a next lecture. Very important topics, that is called as the thermodynamic approaches, classical thermodynamics, and another our statistical thermodynamics. So this is our discussion in our next lecture. It is very IMP points regarding the exam point of view. So I stop here. Any difficulty, please ask the question to me during when we put the meetings on Google Meets. Then ask me the questions, whatever the topic we learn up to these lectures. Okay, so I stop here. If you like my videos, so please share my video with your friends. Then subscribe my YouTube channel to press the bell icon buttons. So stay safe, stay at home. Thank you very much.